Hi friends, did you know that you can use Google Drive to host your simple and complex websites? You get various benefits and facilities to host your static websites, just like you get HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you can also embed audio and video files. First of all, let's talk about some benefits of using Google Drive as a web hosting. First, it is free, save thousands of dollars per year. Second, it is secure. Third, there is no bandwidth limit. Fourth, there is no downtime. As you know that Google services are very much secure and reliable. Fifth, no FTP needed. You have to just simply change the files in the folder. Let's talk about some cons. First, WordPress, Joomla, PHP is not supported by Google Drive. Second, you can't change the URL of your Google Drive, but I have a method to change this URL. So you have to watch this video till the end. Let's talk with step by step. First of all, I will teach you how to host your website in Google Drive. Second, how to point your custom domain. I am definitely sure you have the files of your website. Then open that folder and go to index.html and put the files into the Google Drive. Then open the Google Drive and go to your files folder of your website and click on it and get the shareable link of your website data. Before we go further, change the name of your folder. Make sure that it is start with www.mywebsite.com. Rename your folder. Then go to Chrome and type trv.tw. When the tab is opened, select the Google Drive and sign in to your Google account in which the folders are kept. When you sign in, click to allow and you get all the files of your website. Now, this is the URL of your website and this is the shareable link. And if you want to change this into custom domain, then go to your domain name provider. In my case, I am using Namecheap because here you will get very cheap domain name. Into the domain section, tap to the manage domain and in the section of name server, remove all the name servers. Save it. Then you have to allow some time to change it. Then go to advanced DNS and make a new CNAME record. Now in the host section we have to type www and in the value section we have to paste the URL which we have copied from drv.tw. Once the URL is pasted, we have to remove the prefix www and we also have to remove suffix www.mywebsite.com. Once it is all done, we have to click on save. Then it is asked to type the TTL. We have to select it 30 minutes. Then save it. To allow our users to access our website without www, we have to add new record. Go to URL redirect record and type at the host at. Then in the value section, HTTP and followed by your domain name. It takes 30 minutes to accept it globally, but since you have just changed your name server, it will take 48 hours to change it globally. Once your website is up, then you can check it. You can check the progress of propagation with the help of these tools. What's my DNS.net To check your website before propagation, you have to use this tool, proxy tool, which bypass the local cache, kproxy.com. Once the DNS is successfully propagated, then check the speed of your website. If the speed of your website is slower, then you can do this. Go to cloudflare.com, make new account, and then you have to add your site. Write the domain name of your website and click on add site. Then click on next. Then you have to choose the free plan. It is free forever. Purchase it. Then you have to copy the value of CNAME record. Just copy it. Now make a new txt record and in the name section type www and in the txt section paste the URL and type drvtw equals to before the URL and save it. Once the record is added, tap to continue. We have to copy this DNS into the domain name provider's name servers. Once the DNS is copied, we are all done. At last, we have to just click on save and just save it. Congratulations! Now our website is online without any web hosting.